Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Have a dryer work order today. It says dryer will not work. It's a Samsung dryer. I've checked voltage. I've got that. It had power. Here's the model and serial number. So we're going to turn it on. They say it was making a weird noise. And you can hear that. It sounds basically like it's wanting to come on, but something is preventing it from happening. So you could have a motor or blower problem, something like that. First thing I always check when I hear a noise like that, on any dryer, you can open up the lint trap, get a light. We're gonna look down in here and see if there's something wedged in somewhere. Yeah, and you can see right there I have a piece of clothing, looks like a sock, wedged in there. So what we'll do is we'll take the dryer apart, get that out, turn it on, see if that fixes the problem. I'm gonna put the phone on my chest mount and we'll see how that looks. So all you gotta do on a dryer most of the time is try just pulling up on this. Sometimes you gotta stick a screwdriver in and pry it up. This one pops right up. Got 3 screws here, it looks like, that I've got to remove. Sometimes the screws will be back in here, but again, I'm just going to be showing you on this particular model. I don't like using a drill on these screws because sometimes the heads are not very strong and you'll strip those out. So then you got these prongs that you got to lift this up over. But I can tell as I do that there's something still holding. So if we look down here, I can see I've got screws here. And then I also got 2 down here. So I'm going to take those out. Again, gonna come back up and pull those tabs. Next step is pull out the door switch harness. Now we'll remove the screws that got the cover. Here's the culprit, guys. This is just a sock that was wedged in there, but so we got the sock out. So now I won't be able to test it without putting it at least partially back together because the door harness would have to be plugged in to make that safety switch. But I'm almost positive that's what the problem is, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug it all back up. Now we just go in reverse. Plugging the wire harness back in. Push this up on the, push this back in until it clips in. Now just put the screws back in. Having to hold this top up by hand. It's got brackets that you would think you could just lean it back on, but I didn't like the way that it felt. It seemed like it was bending those brackets real bad, so I've just been holding it up the whole time. All right, turn it on. Start it up. There you go, guys. Easy fix. Ended up being a sock stuck in the fan and the blower. So always check for obstructions first before you go changing parts or anything like that. Hopefully your dryer is as easy to open up as this one is. Most of them are, but some of them are quite a pain. But again, I hope this was useful. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. See you on the next video.